Did you want to create your own app and want to earn money? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Today I am going to show you how to create your own app like this and monetize it in just a few steps. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Select APK from app, select button app and tap on full edit. First you have to find the interstitial ID to monetize your app. Let's find and tap on it. Here it is. Tap on it and you have to paste your app admob code here to monetize app and earn money. You have to do the same for banner ID code as well. Find and paste your code here. Now tap on files and text smiley. Now search the link to edit the app. Search www.instagram.com/best10 for you and tap on search button. This link is also provided in the description below. You can copy and paste. Now tap on pencil icon to insert your website link to the API. Now find the link www.instagram.com/best10 for you. You have to change it with your website link to get your app, and here it is. You found it. Now change this link with your website link. I'm inserting link of my YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/best10 for you, and now tap on save icon, which is placed at the left bottom on the screen here above the keyboard. Tap on it and go back again, and now tap on the save icon, which is top right, and it starts building. I skip the process because it takes time to build. After processing completion, now press on remove to uninstall the previous installed app. Tap on uninstall and now tap on install to install the modified APK file. Your APK file is complete and ready to run. To change the app name and app icon, tap on button and tap on common edit. From here you can change the app name, package name and app icon. Now tap on save to save your app. It starts building. Now tap on install to install your app. If you like our video, hit on like button and subscribe my YouTube channel.